Hello, good morning, guys. Good morning. Today is the 8th of May 2023. Hello, Remy. Hi, everyone. Hello, Yesaya. Hello, Pavlo. You're first. Sied, hello. You said no clear this video. I don't understand what that means. Maybe you can. I don't know. I actually don't know what that means. Good morning, though. Hello, good morning, Yesaya. All right, guys, today, you know what we usually do. You can type what pairs you want signals and analysis for in the comment section. Today, we're going to work on, let's see what pairs I have today on my own list. I have EURUSD. I have gbpjpy. I have USD JPY, gbpjpy. I have EURUJPY, I have USDJPY, and then I have gold, XAUUSD. If you have any other pairs you want added to the list, put that in the comment section. We're going to wait till we have at least 70 to 100 people on the live stream, and then we'll begin our analysis. All right? So you know how we do this. You know. Boom, boom, boom. Like I said, drop the pairs that you want in the comment section. Drop the pairs that you want in the comment section. Drop the pairs that you want in the comment section. And I'll add that to my list of pairs that we have and we're going to do today. So we have gbpUSD. Okay, we'll add that to the list. gbpUSD. gbpUSD. Someone else says AUDJPY. AUDJPY. We have AUDJPY. Someone says EURUJPY. Okay, hello, the King Banks. EURUJPY. We have EURUJPY on our list already. Sied says gold. Okay, we have gold on our list. So far, we have EURUSD, gbpUSD, AUDJPY, gbpjpy, EURUJPY, USDJPY, XAUUSD, which is gold. Hello, the King Banks. Hello. How are you guys doing today? How was your trading week last week? How is your trading week going to be this week? Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Let me put that. And most importantly, like I said, I'm not charging you guys for this free analysis, this free signals. All I ask for is a simple comment. All I need from you is a simple comment. The only payment I'm asking for is a simple comment. All you have to do is make a comment on the channel. It doesn't matter on this live stream. It doesn't matter what you comment. You can just type in anything you want. And it can just be random crazy shit. It can just be anything random. That's the only payment I ask for giving free analysis. Okay, all you have to do is make a comment. A simple comment. USD card. So we have USD card, USDJPY. We already have USDJPY on our list. I'm going to repeat the list again. We have EURUSD, gbpUSD, USD card, AUDJPY, gbpjpy, EURUJPY, USDJPY, and then gold. Okay, have you guys been enjoying these free live streams? We've been able to be booking around 300 to 1,000 pips weekly, either from gbpjpy, gold, many other pairs weekly. We have very high risk reward ratios. Our minimum high risk reward ratios are usually 3-1. We have very low stops. Okay, have you guys been enjoying this free analysis, these free live streams? Okay, remember guys, I promised that I was going to do this for 3 months. Okay, so we've done April. We've been doing free live streams every week, minimum of 3. The last 2 weeks we were doing 5 live streams a week every day during New York session. And we're in May, so we're gonna do free live streams from April, May, and June. Okay, after June, guys, I'm going to start doing private signals and analysis. Okay, you can join that for 1 year by going to nfxandcrypto.com. You need to have minimum of $500 in your account to be able to copy my trades. Okay, you can join the broker that I use, which is Mugen Markets. I've been using that to take my trades. I can share that with you. Currently, I'm in a hedge on Mugen Markets, but in another account, I'm trading gold. As you guys can see, I'm actually my bias on gold is a buy. I'll just share my screen with you guys so that you guys can see the gold trade that I am on. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I just want to share my screen for you guys. Boom, boom, boom. You guys know that I don't just talk. I do what I preach. Let me see. I'm just trying to log into my MT4 account for you guys to see. Where are we? Where are we? Where are we? All right. So what happened? Where's my trade? Oh, it's not logged in yet. I was scared. 1 minute, guys. Okay. All right. So let me share my screen for you guys. Stop screen share. Share screen. Window. Where is my MT4? Where's my MT4? Just 1 minute, guys. I'm looking for, there you are. No, not this. There you go. All right, so I'm in a buy on gold currently. I took some buys previously on gold. I've made about 5,000 profit on gold so far on this account. I'm currently holding a buy on gold, as you guys can see. So yeah, let's go back to the charts. Boom, boom, boom. Wait, let me share that again so you guys can see that this is a live account. We're not just talking. As you guys can see, this is a live account. Okay, I'm not one of those mentors that will do trading view and just sit down there and tell you guys to risk your money. So yeah, let's go back to the charts. Let's go back to the charts. Let's go back to our analysis. So yeah, what was I saying? So yeah, we're gonna have in that Telegram group, I'm gonna drop a Zoom link. Okay, you guys will be able to join me 5 days a week, every week for 1 year. Okay, we're gonna be doing analysis. We're gonna be doing signals, high risk to reward ratios. You can add what pair you want, just like this free live streams, and we're gonna do multiple pairs, maybe 10 pairs, 15 pairs a day, 5 days a week. So you can go to NFX and crypto and get the signal. Someone says USDCHF. I don't know how I missed that. So USDCHF, we will do that after USD card. USDCHF. Let's see. Hello, the King Banks. Hello, Zam is Izam. This is a long time subscriber. Hello, good morning. How are you? USDJPY is on the list. USDJPY is on the list. USDJPY is on the list. You're fine, and I had a good week. I'm in a trade. You bought gbpjpy. Okay, we'll also look at gbpjpy. Someone says gbpAUD. Wow, we have a lot of pairs for today. Let me add gbpAUD after USDCHF. What else do we have? You're still in a trade on gbpjpy. We'll look at it. Okay, someone's hello Tandy, very good subscriber. He comments a lot. Good morning. You said GA. I would assume that is gbpAUD. So we have that on the list. All right, so we are done for our pairs for the list today. Remember, guys, I am not asking for any payment for this free analysis. I promised you guys 3 months of free analysis and signals. We have done April, we're in May, and we have June. Okay, after June, the free signals are going to end. Maybe it's going to be once a week. It can be on Monday, it can be on Tuesday. But if you want it every day, 5 days a week for 1 year, okay, it's less than £100. It actually is less than £90 a year. You can get the yearly signals. We're going to be doing it 5 signals a week, 5 days a week. It's going to be on Zoom. I'm going to add you to the private Telegram group, and every day I'll be dropping the Zoom link, and you guys can join me to take free analysis and signals every day. but the signal is going to end, the ability to join is going to end at the end of June. So you have till now, from now to the end of June, to be able to purchase these signals and fund your account and get ready, because once it's closed, it's going to be closed for 6 months before you can be able to join in and apply again. So you have more than 1 month, basically 1 month and 3 weeks to prepare and join this group. So yeah, with that being said, before we begin, let's take a little break and we'll be right back to begin our signals and analysis. Hey guys, this is Solomon from NLFX and Crypto. As you can see, I use Mugen Markets, the broker I used to take swing and scalp trades. This is the best broker I've used so far because they have ECN accounts with very tight spreads up to 0, which allows me to scalp the foreign exchange market easily, as you have seen in my scalping videos. They have leverage up to 1 to 500, which helps me make a lot of profits in the market, and the execution is very fast and very quick, as you have seen in some of my live trading videos. The deposit and withdrawal methods are in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, USDC, Ethereum, and many more. And the transactions are done in an instant. No waiting or delays. This broker does it in an instant. The trading platform is done in MT4, which I consider the best trading platform if you want to have the best trading experience. You can click the link in description below to sign up and start trading and making profits just like I do. All right, guys, so what is first on our list? Can you guys still hear me? Someone says this broker is free swap and low spreads. The only broker that gives you free swap is when you open an Islamic account. Maybe if they have an Islamic account, you can open that. But yeah, the spreads are low. I've shown you guys me scalping with the account, me taking swing trades with the account. The spreads are very low. It's lower than the previous broker I was using before. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I switched. You can join the broker. The link is in description. Just join with that. And yeah, if you want to copy my signals, get the 1 year signals. Okay, we'll have a private group on that will be on Telegram, where we'll be having a Zoom link drop there, and we'll be giving signals. Remember, to be able to copy my trades, you need a minimum of $500. You don't know how much you might make by the end of the year copying my signals. Maybe your $500, you can use it to make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 by the time the signal ends. Remember, it's less than £90 per month. It's just a one-time payment for 1 year signals. With that being said, let's start off with our first pair, which is EURUSD. Guys, if you can make comments for EURUSD, as many comments as you can make for EURUSD, that will help me and the channel. Let's get to this. Let's try to get at least 300 to 400 live viewers on this live streams. Maybe okay, you know what I'm gonna do? If we can get comments every live stream, right, and we can get up to 300 to 400 live stream viewers, I'll make the signals free for an extra 3 months. Okay, if not, then we'll just end the free live streams and turn it out to maybe 1 a week, or maybe sometimes not a week, and we'll just continue with the private signals. So if you guys can make comments for EU, make as many comments for EU and EURUSD. If I don't get a lot of comments for EU, I'll just do short-term analysis. If I get a lot of comments, we'll look at the long-term analysis. That goes for every pair. If we don't get a lot of comments for that pair, we'll do short-term analysis. If we get a lot of comments, we'll do long-term analysis. Okay, and it doesn't have to be just 1 or 2 people or 3 people because you're interested in that pair. If it's not your pair, other people can comment also, and we'll get to your pair faster, because I know that's what people do. They only comment the pairs that they want. But yeah, everyone has to help everyone out. It's free signals at the end of the day. Boom, boom, boom. All right, EURUSD. Can you guys hear me clearly, or is the music louder than my? Is the music louder than my voice? All right, EURUSD. Can you guys hear me clearly, or is the music louder than my voice? 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 Is the music louder I think I'll start making because I used to make music before. I think I'll start making music for cryptos and foreign exchange pairs. Yeah, so Euro USD, we've been in this consolidation for days, I would say weeks. Remember what I told you guys, when you are in this consolidation, you get here, you sell, you get down here, you buy. Same thing has been happening all through. However, news has ended. Okay, news is over. So what I expect from Euro USD, let me take the software and let me take my software, which does all the analysis for me, and I'm gonna put Euro USD there, and I will get a quick analysis from the market and see what is going on, what our bias would be. Currently, our bias is long, obviously, because we are just coming down from this low area on consolidation. Bam, bam, bam. Right. Let's go. And let me see what more my software says. We can expect it to go all the way to 1.11 as for today. Right. Okay. Right. And in my opinion, right, do we have an entry? Can we possibly get an entry? Yes, that is very possible. That is very, very possible. There are two ways we can get an entry. It's possible to take a buy at around 1.1, right? 1.1, 1.1025, right? Or at 1 point. Okay, two possibilities. If we break 1.1055, right, we can target all the way to 1.11, but our exit is going to be 1.102, right? 1.3 to 1 ratio trade, so it's not really that great, and we're risking about 35 pips to make 45 pips. So best case scenario is we take a buy at 1.1025, right? Set our targets for 1.1, and then we will set our exit at the low of today, which is 1.1013. Let's just say 1013, the low of today. Okay. Yeah, so this gives us a 6-to-1 ratio trade. We're risking less than 15 pips if we get this. If we cannot break 1.105, right? If we can't break 1.105, then you guys know what to expect. The market to go all the way here and then drop. Okay, but my bias, however, I'm 90% long on my bias on Euro USD, over 90%. So we just have to wait for this, and this is the strong area. We need to break 1.105. Okay, so yeah, we're risking less than 15 pips. We're risking about 12 pips to gain 75 pips. So even if you use 0.1, you're risking maybe $12 to make over 70. That's more than 6-to-1 ratio trade. So I could have given you the long-term bias, which could have made this trade about maybe 10-to-1 ratio or 11 or 12-to-1 ratio. Bro, are you open to copy trade? You can do my signals. I don't have copy trade for now. The reason why I'm doing signals is because you need about $500, which is not a lot, to start the signals. If you want to do copy trade, you're gonna need at least $5,000 to $10,000 in your account. Okay, if you have $5,000 to $10,000, yeah, message me on WhatsApp and Telegram, and we will do copy trade. No problem. Okay, no problem. There will be no problem with that. Okay, because I don't want to waste my time. But if you don't have up to that amount, then just get the signals. plain and simple. Where am I from? I'm from Nigeria. Okay, I used to live in the UAE, but I'm moving to Europe. Okay, I've been moving slowly. I'm trying to sell my Ferrari. If anybody wants to buy a Ferrari, send me a DM. Okay, it's a 488. I also have a Spider also. If you want to buy a Ferrari, send me a message. I'm trying to sell my cars because I'm moving to Europe. I want to buy a different car for Europe. I'm trying to buy a Huracan or maybe a Porsche, one of the two. If you have any suggestions of any cars that I should buy for Europe, let me know. I'm also looking at the BMW i8 because it's kind of electric and there are a lot of places that I can charge for free. So that's my option, okay? Maybe a Lamborghini Huracan, maybe a BMW i8. Anybody wants to buy a Ferrari, send me a message on WhatsApp and Telegram. So yeah, let's move on to the next pair, which is gbpUSD. gbpUSD, gbpUSD, gbpUSD. Guys, let's make as many comments for gbpUSD. You know what it is. gbpUSD, gbpUSD, gbpUSD. Guys, let's make as many comments for gbpUSD as we can. gbpUSD, gbpUSD, gbpUSD. If we don't get a lot of comments, I'm only going to do short-term analysis. If we get a lot of comments, we will do long-term analysis. Okay. gbpUSD, gbpUSD. Where is gbpUSD? gbpUSD. gbpUSD, gbpUSD. Let's go, let's go, let's go. gbpUSD, 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 gbpUSD. Let's go. gbpUSD, gbpUSD. gbpUSD, 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 gbpUSD. Let's see. gbpUSD, 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 gbpUSD. gbpUSD, 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 gbpUSD. See this dumb guy. You're telling me, did I take any money from you? Or Fox, did I ever take any money from you? I don't even know this guy. I'm going to block you. I never took any money from you. I don't even know you. This is the first time I'm seeing you. So, blocked. You are just a dumb, you are dumb. You could have been coming here to just take free signals and making money. You can go back to your other people who are not trading live, right? And then collect their signals. Blocked. I don't even know you. I've never even seen you before in my life. You said you want long-term analysis. Let's see how many people make comments for gbpUSD. GBP. Hello, McFlurry. How are you doing? How is your trading week? Okay, we might do long-term analysis for. Well, we actually gave some kind of long-term analysis for gbpUSD. We were looking at gbpUSD going long. Okay, we tried to buy on Monday before, it didn't get triggered, but eventually it went long. We needed it to break this high. It did break this high. I told you guys if it breaks this high, then you guys can take a buy, right? Broke the high, and it was able to break this high here again. And remember guys, when you get to 40-50 pips, take some profits, move the rest to break even. I always say this almost every stream. Get to 40-50 pips, take some profits. If you have done that, you would have hit take profit on this 120 pips, risking about 40 pips. So long term, we didn't get a lot of comments, but we can still do the long term analysis. We can expect GBP USD to go all the way to 1.27, right? 27, which is our target, which is what we've been saying before, that it could go all the way up to 1.27. We've hit our target here, so trade over. Now the main question is, can we find an entry? Long term, we can, if it continues to go long, we can expect it to go to 1.28. 1.28. Let's see. 1.28. 1.28. All right, so what I'm looking at now is, yeah, we can expect it long term to go to 1.285, or let's say 1.2875, right? Yeah, but let's just say 1.285 to stay on the safe side. Now the main question is, can we find an entry, right? My bias on it going long is very strong, okay, I'd say 90%, but the question is, can we find an entry? My problem with GBP pairs is that they spike a lot. So even if you're correct, it might spike. That's the issue. We could find an entry at around 1.265, right? 1.265. 1.265, right? Target all the way here to 1.285, where would be our exit. Our exit would be, let me check my software. Our exit would be the low of today, right? No, not the low of today. Our exit would be close to the low of today. We could say or let's just say the low of today, right? Our exit would be the low of today. We could say 1.2625. So we're risking about 25 pips, right? We're risking about 25 pips for 200 pips, almost about, it's about 8-to-1 ratio trade, right? Remember guys, once you get into 50 pips, 40-50 pips, take some profits, take partial profits, lock the rest at break even. And remember guys, if I'm giving analysis for EURUSD, GBP USD, AUD USD, they are usually the same. Just pick one from those pairs. You don't need to take everything. If I'm giving GBP JPY, no, if I'm giving Euro JPY, USD JPY, and they all see the same, like they are all sells, choose the best one for you, okay? I'm not saying you should take every single trade. Just choose the best one for you. Someone says AUD USD. You're coming in late, Christian. How are you doing? AUD USD is already part of the list. Oh, actually, it's not. Oh, you have to come in early because we already have our peers, and you know, we already have our list of peers. So you have to come in early. At the end of the day, it's free signals. All I ask you to do is make comments and come in early. Sorry, Christian. So we're moving on to our next pair, which is USD CAD. USD CAD. Yeah, they have similar moves, but it doesn't mean that they'll move the same all the time. What I said is, if I give analysis and they are similar, just choose one. Okay. Sometimes GBP USD might be buying and Euro USD might be selling. Okay, remember they are just GBP is for the United Kingdom, Euro is for Europe. Okay, different currencies. So it doesn't all mean that okay, because sometimes they may move differently. Just be careful. Anyways, what's next on our list? USD CAD, baby. Some people might want to jump in early on this GBP USD trades. There's no problem in doing that. There is no problem in doing that. Just that you might risk about maybe 30 pips. Who knows? Anyways, let's move on to the next pair, which is USD CAD, baby. What was the trade on Euro USD? Let me see. Euro, okay, so I think it's, let me see, GBP USD, 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 GBP USD. All right, guys, I'm just taking a trade also. 1 minute, guys. I'm also taking a trade because remember what I said. I don't just talk. I also take these trades that I'm giving you guys. And yeah. So let's move on. USD CAD. What is USD CAD? Let's see how many comments we get for USD CAD. Type UC or USD CAD. Anyone can suffice. If we don't get a lot of comments for USD CAD, we'll just do short-term analysis. If we get a lot of comments for USD CAD, we will do long-term analysis. Okay. 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 USD CAD, 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 USD CAD. Let's see. Let me put USD CAD on my software so I can get an analysis. USD CAD is bearish. The person who was in a USD CAD, who wanted USD CAD, can you tell me exactly what you're doing? Are you buying USD CAD? Are you selling USD CAD? Because right now on USD CAD, there isn't any like good entries. I can only tell you where we can expect it to go. We can expect it to drop all the way down to 1.3 to, let me see, 1.3275, right? We can expect it to drop all the way to 1.3275 today. What you should watch out for, however, is the high of today. Okay, the high of today. If it breaks the high of today, then boom, we can expect it to continue to go long. But let's see how many comments we got for USD CAD. Maybe we can. Okay, you said you are selling USD CAD already. We are only. Yeah, because most people, some people They only care about commenting on the pair that they are interested in. They will not comment on the pair that, like, they will not comment on, if they want Euro USD and someone else is doing GBP USD and you say comments, they won't care. They won't comment. They don't care. You know, they just don't care. Sometimes I would say something else like, oh, can you hear me? And then you start seeing comments from people who have never made comments before, but they've been watching. Sometimes they don't comment, but they send me messages like, oh, thank you, I was able to make this profit, I was able to, but I've never seen them make any comments before. I've never seen them make any comments before. I get messages, oh, I was on your live stream, I made this profit, thank you. But they've never made any comments before, but they are watching. You know, so it amazes me too. Hello, Andrew. Hello. UC. Okay, we have a lot of comments for USD card. So let's just do long-term analysis. Let me go to my software. Long term, we can expect USD card to drop all the way down to 1.32. Right? 1.32. I don't expect that much of a big movement. But first of all, we need to break 1.3275. Then we can expect it to drop to 1.32. So it still has about almost 150 pips left drop in the market. Now let's move on to our next pair, which is USD USD. And you know the funny thing, I got a lot of messages for me to do free live streams like this, but the messages I got is more than the people who make comments. That's why I don't do free things, because I get so many requests. Oh, why don't you do this for free? Why don't you do that for free? Ever since I've started this channel, anytime I listen to the subscribers and do something for free, when it's time to participate, they never participate. Okay, or maybe 10% or 5 of them participate out of the people who requested. Out of the people who requested this live stream, most of them don't even watch the live stream. So when people tell me, oh, why don't you do this for free? Why don't you do that for free? That's one of the reasons why. Let's go. What is next on our list? USD CHF. Let me put that on my software so we can get analysis. You're welcome, the King Banks. UC. Okay, let's go. Tandy is already moving forward, not waiting for anyone. I'm fine, Andrew. How are you doing also? Let's go. USDCHF. It's just the same way I tell people, don't use stop loss. You know, they don't listen. Then when they are losing, they now send me a message. Oh, can you help me save my account? When they were making profits, they didn't send me a message say, oh, can you help me take some of my profits? You know, so it's just crazy. Some people, you know, they would want to get the course and then they will change their minds, they will fund their accounts, then they will lose all the money. By the time they've lost 5 times the amount of money, 10 times the amount of money of the course, then they'll decide to get the course, you know, because they're tired of losing. Either if you think the price of the course is expensive, the price of learning from the markets is more expensive, because the market will take your money and it will barely teach you anything, you know. Anyways, and me, I don't really care if you take the course or not. You can go pay your cheap mentor who is not trading live, you know, but is telling you to trade live if you want. USD CHF, you know, kind of skeptical. We took some sales before, got it to some profits, moved it to break even, you know, took some profits, didn't really go to its long-term target, probably because of news. So we have some kind of consolidation here, another type of consolidation here, dropped out of it, dropped back into this consolidated area, dropped out of it, looking like it's going to drop back into it, but I doubt that. My bias for now is bearish on USD CHF, but we do not have full confirmations to decide if we're going to take buys or sells. Okay. You see some of them, You see some of them, they are now making comments after I've called them out. You see, after I've called them out, they are making comments. So a lot of people, they just don't comment. They come, they watch, they make profit. Some of them make profit and they don't even thank me. They just take the profit and they move on. You know, it's just how it is. What can we do? You know. Hello the boss man cave. Hello Joe man Johnny. You know, so yeah. That's why I don't care anymore. I promised you guys free analysis for 3 months. Yeah, I'll do the free analysis. After that, you either get the signals or, you know, no more free analysis. A lot of people have made a lot of profit from my free analysis. At least they'll know that it works. We've been profiting around 300 to 1,000 pips sometimes every week. So for free. And now all I'm asking for is just comments, you know. Anyways, whether you get the course or not, whether you get the signals or not, I'm trading. I make profit already. I make more profits than some of you guys' accounts. You know, at the end of the day, most of the time they end up losing their whole accounts, and then they'll start asking me for discount or whatever. I won't answer you. I promise you. For those people who are always sending me messages when they are losing, I won't answer you. I won't hedge out your accounts. I won't do anything. Because I already told you before, I don't chase anybody to buy my course. If you don't message me, if you don't reply me, I will never, ever, ever message you again. I don't need to. I just give you the option to be able to gain proper knowledge, plain and simple. Even at one point, who knows? Maybe I'll stop teaching. I'll just go with only signals. I don't know. Who knows? It's whatever is comfortable with me. Either take advantage now or keep blowing your accounts. You know, your choice. So USD CHF, if it's going to continue to go short, we can expect it to go all the way down to 1 point. What am I saying? 1 point. You can expect it to go all the way down to 0.88, right? But yeah, my bias is short. It's just that from the way I take my trades, I haven't seen a good setup for USD CHF as of now. Maybe we will see one on Tuesday or Wednesday. I don't even know if I'm going to do a live stream tomorrow. But if I don't do a live stream tomorrow, I'll do one on Wednesday. Maybe we'll see a pair. We'll see an entry on Wednesday. Let's move on to the next pair, which is GBP AUD, because we have a lot of pairs to do today. GBP AUD. GBP AUD. Where's GBP AUD? I don't have GBP AUD on my list. Wow. GBP AUD. Let's go. Where were we? Okay, previously we took a buy on GBP AUD. Obviously went into about 40 pips to, oh, actually more than that, went into 100 pips. But I usually say around 50 pips, take some profits, move the rest to break even. We got to about 100 pips, and you know what happened next? The markets went all the way down. So right now, let me just put GBP AUD on my software so we can get an analysis from that. GBP AUD. Let me actually message my software developer very quickly, because he has been wasting so much time, and we need to get this software on TradingView very quickly. Wasting so much time. All right, so yeah, oh, we're getting a lot of comments for GBP AUD. Hello, Richard Arthur. Good morning. Seems a lot of people are interested in GBP AUD. So yeah, GBP AUD. Yeah, let's get quick analysis. Obviously, we are bearish. GBP AUD is actually done for today. right? Don't expect any more things to happen on GBP AUD. If you're in a GBP AUD trade, let me know so that I can know how to advise you. But yeah, we're bearish on GBP AUD. There is, you know, I don't think anything is going to happen anymore on GBP AUD. It's done for the day. It's done for the day. Nothing more is going to happen. If you want to find an entry, you probably have to wait till tomorrow. We could find an entry at around 1.8, 1.87, right? Why is this here? What's going on? Oh, it's locked. Why is that locked? 1.87, right? So it's possible to look for a sell around here for tomorrow, right? Set your exit at the high of today, which would be, let's just say 1.874, and set your target for 1.858, right? Why is this locked also? 1.858, right? Almost 3-to-1 ratio trade. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Nah, I would want to come back and see how GBP AUD is set up. Okay, another day to be able to give an entry. Right now, there's no entry for now, no good entry. I need to see how it is tomorrow. But it's possible to take this gamble anyway. It's possible to take this gamble. You can write it down, but I still need to see more movements on GBP AUD for tomorrow, because GBP is a pair that spikes a lot. So you have to monitor it very, very well. So let's move on to our next pair, AUDJPY. AUDJPY, 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 AJ, AUDJPY, AUDJPY, AJ. Okay. Boom. GA. You're welcome. You are welcome. All right, let's go. AJ. Let's see. We're not getting a lot of comments for AJ, so we'll just do short-term analysis. Previously, we wanted to do an analysis for AJ, but we realized we were stuck in this zone, and I told you guys we needed to escape this high. If we escape this high, we could expect it to go all the way to 92.5. If we escape this low, we expected it to drop. Obviously, we escaped this high, and we're going all the way to 92.5. Now we're looking for, and this is analysis we've done previously already last week. This is why sometimes if you're not on the live stream, you know, you can just go back and watch to see what is going on, especially if you want to take a trade on that. AUDJPY, where is AUDJPY? So we can give an analysis for that. Let me just put it very quickly on my software. AUDJPY still has a lot of movement to go as for today. For today, we can see it gets all the way to 92, right? Long term, right? Long term. Let me see how many comments we have before we do long term. Someone says gold. We already have gold on the list. If you wanted US30, you should have come in earlier during the stream. We already compiled all the pairs that we were going to do. For now, we're focusing on AJ. Okay, we're getting a lot of comments. So let me see. Long term, we could expect AJ to go all the way to 93.5, right? 93.5. $93.5 long term. Okay. Now the question is, can we find an entry for AUDJPY? It's not going to be easy. We could say we could. It's not gonna be easy. It's not really gonna be easy because we kind of missed the entry already. You know. 91.25. It's possible. It's possible to take a buy at around 91.25. Right? Take a buy here. 91.25. Set the low, set the exit at the low of today. Let's just say 90.9. Set your target at 92.5, which is about 3.5 risk to reward ratio. Exit of about 35 pips, which is a lot actually, but for a JPY pair, not really a lot. But yeah, I don't know. AUDJPY is looking like it's already too late. You know, it's already too late. We missed the entry, but if it's possible, it gets to 91.25. This is what we have. About 120 pips target. Is it 120 pips? 120 pips. Why is it saying amount 190? Wait, let me just, because I'm a bit confused, you know, just need to confirm. Yeah, about 125 pips target, risking about 35 pips, risk to reward ratio 3.5. Let's check out gbpjpy and EURUSD first of all, you know, so we see if we get something better from there. So we're in GJ, guys. If we can get some comments for GJ, gbpjpy. GJ, we made a lot of profits from GJ last week, right? We took sells all the way down. We took an extra sell all the way down for 100 pips. Here we took a sell for 200 pips, basically 300 pips from here. We tried to take a last minute sell for NFP, but obviously you know what happened with NFP. We broke this high and then it was a last minute gamble for NFP. Okay, and I told you guys, if you wanted to take this trade, don't take it with your main capital. Only take it if you have extra profits. Use your extra profits to take the trade. NFP scattered the trades like I was suspecting, but we made a lot of profits from gbpjpy already, so it didn't matter. Now let's move on to gbpjpy and see what we can get from it right now. gbpjpy somewhat has already kind of missed its entry, right? We already missed the entry on gbpjpy. But if the entry gets back here, let's see if we can take advantage of it. If the market can go back all the way down to 170.5, 170.5, 169.5 actually. No, wait, 170.5. 170.5 actually. 170.5, 170.5. Let's see how many comments we got for GJ. So we see, not a lot. So we'll just do short-term analysis. You said you entered at around 169. Okay. 169, which was around here. Okay. That was just lucky. Because NFP could have done anything. So yeah, we'll just do short-term analysis. We can expect it to go all the way to around 172, right? 172. Where can we set our exit for? We can set our exit at around the low of today, or at around, let's see, 170.15, right? So we're risking about 35 pips to make about 150 pips, right? Boom, boom, boom. But remember this high. If we're able to go all the way down to 170.5, right? Hit our entry. We need to be able to break 171. If we cannot break 171, you know what happens, right? So yeah, you need to be cautious of that. This is why I would say you get into 40-50 pips, move your stop to break even, especially in scenarios like this. What's next on our list? We have EURUSD. We have a lot of pairs today. After Euro JPY, we have USD JPY, and then finally gold. All right. So Euro JPY, let's see how many comments we get for Euro JPY. JPY, Euro 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 JPY. What's going on? All right, so for Euro JPY, we had an analysis. It literally hits the entry, right? Less than 1 pip drawdown. And in about 2 hours, we were able to hit our take profits, about 95 pips take profits in less than 2 hours, you know, given for free as usual. So what is going on with Euro JPY? Euro JPY, we are looking at it as being long as of now. Most likely, like other JPY pairs, we've already missed our entry. So I'm just going to give the targets. We can expect Euro JPY to go all the way to 150. Okay. We don't have an entry for now. Probably we'll have to come back another day to look for our entry. We can expect it to go all the way to 150. We have to come back to look for an entry for Euro JPY. Let's see. It's the same kind of scenario for gbpjpy, but let's see if we're able to get an entry. Go for 150. Let's see. Same scenario. But yeah, let's come back on Euro JPY another day. Let's move on straight to USD JPY. I'm trying to end this live stream very quickly. We already surpassed more than 1 hour. Okay, we're almost at 1 hour. USD JPY. After USD JPY, we will finally be able to go to gold. Okay. Gold. USDJPY. All right, USDJPY. We didn't have any analysis for USDJPY. We didn't have any, not any analysis. We didn't have any signal. The market didn't provide signal at that moment. We're looking at 134.25. It was able to stay below 134.25. We expected it to drop all the way down to 133.25. It didn't stay below 134.25. So obviously, you know what will happen. Sharp break. Now, so our bias on USDJPY is long for now. However, I am very skeptical of that bias. I believe USDJPY might begin to sell at any point in time very soon. Why? Because we're in some kind of consolidated area around here, right? So can USDJPY break this consolidation? We'll have to see it break this consolidation first. Okay, if it's able to break this high and hold above it, we can expect it to continue to go long. However, if it breaks this low, right, we can expect it to go short as we predicted previously. It could go all the way down to, let's see, it could go all the way down to 131.5. okay, it could go all the way down to 131.5 as, or 131, yeah, 131, wait, 131.5, let's see, yeah, 131 points, let's just say 132, right, go all the way down to 132, and then we can begin to look for entries. So we need a break of this high or break of this low for us to be able to find entries on USDJPY. Now, last but not least, XAUUSD, which is gold. Okay, which is gold. So let's see how many comments we get for XAUUSD. All right, XU. We can also type XU. We can also just type straight up gold. And we'll be right back in 1 minute or 2 minutes of comments. We'll use that to see if we should give long-term analysis or short-term analysis. If we don't get a lot of comments for gold, short-term analysis. If we get a lot of comments for gold, long-term analysis. We'll be right back. All right, we are back. We are back. Let's see. Let's see. We have gold, goldie, 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 gold, 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 goldie, golodo, golodo. Hello, Mario Perez, gold. You see, Mario Perez is one of those people who only comments on what he's interested in. Goldie, 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 gold, gold, gold. All right, let's look at gold. Gold is very simple. My bias is long on gold. As for today, let's look at our previous bias and analysis on gold, how we were looking at it before. Before NFP, I told you we were stuck in this zone around 2000. First of all, we hit our long-term targets that we've been shouting for the past few weeks, 2065. Okay, we hit our long-term targets. We were able to make some profits before that, and we were stuck in this range between 2065 to 2010 area, right? And I said if we're able to break below this area and stay below it, we could see us go back to this 1975. And I told you guys that I don't think gold will ever come back down to this low area, right? We could actually see gold go all the way to 2100, which is my long-term final bias. And long-term, we could see it go all the way to 3000 because US dollar finally has a competition, okay? And it's based on resources like things like gold and oil. So the value of gold over the next 1 to 2 years is going to increase drastically. Same thing with cryptos. And that's, you know, cryptos also depends on if it's going to be regulated or not. If it's regulated, that will be something else. They won't matter anymore. Only the government's cryptos will matter. But let's focus on gold. It could go all the way to 3000. You know, I keep on telling you guys, buy as many jewelry or for gold as you can. You know, you can get 30% profit from it later on. Who knows? 20% profits, increase in value. Who knows? Get wristwatches, get necklaces in gold. But with that being said, and this is why you need to start making profits consistently from someone who is trading live, so that you can start purchasing assets, okay, so that they go up in value and maybe you can sell them later. Boom, boom, boom. Instead of just holding your money in your bank and, you know, not gaining anything. All right, so we're still on our long-term bias for gold to go to 2100. Now we are looking for entries. So far, we do not have any entry. We're still kind of stuck in this range. We need gold to break 2060, right? So Yeah, this is gonna be very long on gold. We need gold to still break this zone. Once it's able to break this high, then we'll begin to look for entries. If not, if gold goes all the way down to, let's see, if gold goes all the way down again to, let's say 2015, right, somewhere around here, 2015, you guys could take some buys from here, right? Boom, and go all the way long. That's the only way. That's the only way you guys can, make profits from buying gold. And you can set your exit at around 2000. Okay, so it's gonna be very, very a large exit. So it depends on you if you want to take this trade. You can enter at around 2015, right? We'll go all the way to my long-term target, which is, let's just start with 2075, right? So let's see. We could target 2000, let's just say 2070. All right, 2070. And you could set your exit at 2000. So it's almost a 4-to-1 ratio. You're risking about 140 pips to gain about 550 pips. So do you have the liver? Do you have the guts to take this trade? You want to make a lot of profit from gold? You have to wait till we get to 2015. That's the only way. If not, we have to wait till we get to 2060. Once it breaks 2060, then we will be able to look for entries for gold. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I keep on saying this free signal session is going to end by the end of June. You have 1 month and 3 weeks to be able to prepare, to be able to join the private signal group where we'll be doing it on Zoom. Okay, you can join the private signal group, and every day for 5 days a week, we'll be dropping Zoom links. We'll be doing analysis and signals on multiple pairs, 300 to 1000 pips a week. Okay, and you can join the broker that I'm using, Milgram Markets. Fund your account with at least $500 to be able to copy my trades, and the signals will be a one-time fee for 1 year. That is less than £90 a month. Okay, with that being said, like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, you can send me a message on WhatsApp, link, or Telegram, link in description below. You can join the Telegram group also for updates or other links for free things. And yeah, if you want to buy the course, you can go to NFX and crypto, and it also comes with the software for free. And yeah, you will learn how to take scalp trades, swing trades, hedging with live trades. That means I'll teach you with live trades. Okay, and yeah, we'll be right back with another live trading session. Hope you guys have a nice trading week ahead, and yeah, let's see what happens in the market. Like, share, and subscribe. As the software moved over to TradingView, hello SMB, as the software, no, not yet. My software engineer keeps delaying. He has already started the software, he's about to finish it. He said there are some bugs that he needs to fix. I've been trying to message him, he hasn't replied yet, but hopefully it should be done. I messaged him today. Hopefully it's done by the end of this week. Even I want to show this. I also want to show this TradingView software on. So I also want to show the software on TradingView. Yeah, but remember, we're gonna have 1 year free, 1 year signals, one-time payments. Go to NFX and crypto.com. You guys have 1 month and 3 weeks to prepare. Once the signal group is closed, there will not be any entry again till 6 months later. And what usually happens is once it's closed, that's when I start getting a lot of messages that, oh, can I join now? Can I join now? Can I join now? I've said it, you have 1 month and 3 weeks to be able to join. It's less than £90 a month. It's a 1 year signal. Okay, 1 year one-time payment for the signals for 1 year. Okay, we'll have a private Telegram group. We'll be joining on Zoom every week, 3 to 5 days a week, 300 to 1000 pips a week. All right, thanks a whole lot. No problem, no worries. Thanks for the stream. No worries. Have a nice one. Have a nice day. Thanks. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. All right, till next time, guys. Have a nice one. Cheers.